an ecological, educational, and leisure destination, which was transformed from a defunct mine in North China's Tianjin, has become a tourist attraction.
因为小孩子现在经常在这个城市里头，很少接触大自然，所以我们愿意出来多走走。
Located near Panshan Mountain in the Jizhou district of Tianjin, the tourist attraction was the world's second Eden project after the United Kingdom. The Eden project in Cornwall, in the far southwest of England, was the brainchild of British environmentalist Tim Smith. The project began in the mid-1990s when organizers bought a large clay pit in Cornwall and began transforming it into a series of biospheres. The Eden project in Tianjin is a pace-setting approach for dealing with mines in China that have been decommissioned because of concerns over environmental pollution.
在英国的康沃尔郡有这么一个项目叫 Eden Project， 那它也是在一个生态环保领域的一个最成功的一个标杆性项目。那么我们就和区政府一块儿共同的选定了目前的这个矿区，再去做这个生态教育，做知识型度假的这样的一个旅游目的地。
那么我们在矿山治理的进行过程当中，我们导入了国际知名的 IP， 依托这个春山里这个项目，我们要开展文化、旅游、教育、培训、康养、商务等各种活动，把它打造成为一个既是生态保护、生态治理的一个典范，同时又是一个产业发展、现代产业聚集的一个集聚地。